Most people are investing money in completely the wrong order, and they don't even know it. You might be putting money into stocks right now while carrying credit card debt at 24% interest. That's like filling a bucket with a giant hole in the bottom. Or maybe you're maxing out a Roth IRA, but you have zero emergency fund. One car breakdown away from financial disaster. The order you invest your money matters more than the amount. Let me show you the smartest step-by-step investment ladder for 2026. Hey, my name is Hasnain, and welcome to HN Invests, where we break down complex money moves into simple steps that actually work. Most people think investing is just about picking the right stock. But the truth is, before you pick any investment, there's a specific order you should follow. This is called the Investment Waterfall. Money flows down from one step to the next, and you don't move forward until the previous step is filled. Step 1. Build your starter emergency fund. Before you invest a single dollar, you need $1,000 to $2,000 sitting in a savings account. This is your financial shield. Think of this $1,000 as a firewall between you and life. Without it, any surprise expense, medical bill, car repair, job loss, sends you straight to high-interest debt. Step 2. Kill high-interest debt. If you're paying more than 7% interest on any debt, that debt is your investment. Paying it off gives you a guaranteed return. Drop a comment below. Are you currently paying off debt or investing? Let me know where you're at right now. Here's the psychology behind this. When you're in debt at 24% interest, every dollar you invest in the stock market, which averages maybe 10% per year, is actually losing you 14 cents per dollar. This is the debt illusion trap. People feel productive investing while debt quietly destroys their wealth in the background. The numbers don't lie. Now, not all debt is the same. Student loans at 4%, car loans at 3%, those are low-interest debt. You don't need to rush those. Focus on the high-interest killers first. Step 3. Get your employer 401k match. If your employer matches your 401k contributions, this is a 50% to 100% instant return on your money. This is literally free money. Real quick, if you're finding this useful, hit subscribe. I break down money moves like this every single week so you can build wealth faster in 2026. Here's an example. Marcus earns $60,000 a year. His company matches 100% of his 401k contributions up to 3% of his salary. That means if he puts in $1,800, his company adds another $1,800, instantly doubled. If Marcus skips this step, just ignores the 401k match, he's literally walking past free money on the floor every single year. Step 4. Build a full emergency fund. Now that you have employer match secured, grow that emergency fund to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Why 3 to 6 months? Because that's how long it takes the average American to find a new job after losing one. Your emergency fund is your income replacement system. Park this money in a high-yield savings account in 2026. These are currently offering 4% to 5% APY. Your emergency fund earns interest while it protects you. Comment CTA after narration 20. I just talked about high-yield savings accounts. Do you currently use one? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious what rate you're getting. Step 5. Max out your Roth IRA. In 2026, you can contribute up to $7,000 per year, or $8,000 if you're 50 or older. This is the most powerful tax-free wealth-building tool available to everyday Americans. The Roth IRA is special because you invest after-tax dollars today, and when you retire, you pay zero taxes on the growth. Zero. On potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars. Here's the compound interest magic. If a 25-year-old puts $7,000 into a Roth IRA every year until retirement at 65, at an average 8% return, they'd have over $1.8 million, tax-free. That's the power of time plus compound interest. Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. The earlier you start, the more the math works for you. But what if you earn too much for a Roth IRA? In 2026, the income limit is $161,000 for single filers. Above that, you'd use a strategy called the backdoor Roth IRA. Step 6. Maximize your full 401k contribution. In 2026, the IRS limit is $23,500. This is pre-tax money, meaning you reduce your taxable income and build retirement wealth simultaneously. Think of the 401k as building wealth in stealth mode. The IRS can't tax what it doesn't see yet. You defer taxes to the future, ideally when you're in a lower tax bracket at retirement. Step 7. HSA if you're eligible. A health savings account is the only triple tax-advantaged account in the USA. Contributions go in tax-free, grow tax-free, come out tax-free for medical expenses. After 65, you can use HSA funds for any expense, not just medical. It essentially becomes another 401k. In 2026, you can contribute $4,300 as an individual or $8,550 for a family. If you're watching this and thinking, I wish I knew this earlier, that's exactly why HN Invests exists. Subscribe right now. We're building a community of people who take their financial future seriously. Quick question. Which step surprised you the most? The HSA triple tax advantage or the compound interest math? Tell me below. Step 8. Taxable brokerage account. Now that all tax-advantaged accounts are maxed, you invest in a regular brokerage account. This is your unlimited investment account, no contribution limits. In your taxable brokerage account, focus on tax-efficient investments in 2026, like index funds and ETFs. These minimize capital gains distributions and keep more money in your pocket. Let's contrast two people. Sarah follows this investment waterfall. Jake just puts money everywhere randomly. After 20 years, Sarah has $890,000. Jake has $340,000. Same income, different order. $550,000 difference. Same salary, same time period. The only variable was order. This is why strategy matters more than effort in personal finance. Now let's talk about the psychological barrier. Most people don't follow this order because they get excited about trending investments, crypto, meme stocks, options, before the basics are covered. This is called shiny object syndrome in investing. The brain is wired for novelty and excitement, but wealth is built on boring, consistent, optimized order, not excitement. The wealthiest people in America aren't day trading options on their phone. They're quietly maxing tax-advantaged accounts, holding index funds, and letting compound interest do the heavy lifting. Now, what if you have debt and no emergency fund and no investments? Don't freeze. Here's your priority zero. Get $1,000 emergency fund first, even if it takes 60 days. That's your starting line. Automation is your best weapon in 2026. Set up automatic transfers for each step. When money moves automatically before you see it, you can't spend it. Behavior follows systems. Think about it. If you had to manually move money every month, life would get in the way. Automation removes human error, emotional decisions, and procrastination from the equation entirely. Do you automate your savings and investments, or do you do it manually? Comment yes or no below. I genuinely want to know. Let's do a quick recap of the complete investment waterfall for 2026. Step 1. $1,000 starter emergency fund. Step 2. Kill high-interest debt above 7%. Step 3. Get your full employer 401k match. Free money never ignored. Step 4. Build a full 3 to 6 month emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. Step 5. Max your Roth IRA, $7,000 in 2026. Step 6. Max your full 401k, $23,500 in 2026. Step 7. Contribute to HSA if eligible, triple tax advantage. Step 8. Taxable brokerage account, index funds, and ETFs. No limits, full flexibility. This is where long-term wealth truly accumulates without restriction. Here's the most important mindset shift. You don't need to be at step 8 to be winning. Being at step 2 and knowing your order puts you ahead of 80% of Americans who have no plan at all. The average American has less than $5,000 in savings. The average HN Invest viewer who follows this order? They're building toward financial independence, one waterfall step at a time. Before I wrap up, the single biggest mistake I see people make is waiting until they feel ready. You will never feel completely ready. The perfect time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Your action plan right now. Write down which step of the investment waterfall you're currently on. Then identify one specific action you can take this week to move forward. Remember, wealth isn't built by the smartest people. It's built by the most consistent people who followed the right order, automated their behavior, and stayed patient while others chased noise. If this video gave you one new insight about how to order your investments in 2026, drop a comment with which step you're starting at. I read every single one. See you in the next one.